Hi, this is Carla with the library. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to set up a search in CINAHL with full text using two subject headings. I will also demonstrate how to set a few basic limits to refine the search results. To get started, navigate to the library's homepage from the portal page. Underneath Selected Databases, navigate to CINAHL with full text. CINAHL stands for the Cumulative Index to Nursing and Allied Health Literature. There are many different ways to search in databases, but one of the most efficient ways is to use subject headings. Subject heading searches are more precise than keyword searches and require only a few steps to set up correctly. To get started, instead of typing directly into the text boxes, click on CINAHL headings along the top of the page. For this example, I'm going to look at the impact of hormone replacement therapy on cardiovascular diseases in women. So in the text box, I'm going to type in a word or words that describe one of the key concepts of the search. I'll start with the phrase hormone replacement. The first thing that displays is called a term list. These are all the subject headings in CINAHL that contain the words typed into the previous screen. The most relevant terms appear at the top, and I see there's a subject heading that matches my concept. For clarification on exactly what a subject heading covers, I can click on the scope note icon to the right of the term. The scope note is like a definition of the term, and sometimes will even give you suggestions for other subject headings to try. To add a term to a search, click the box to the left of the term. Then look at the box underneath the Explode column. Broader terms will allow you to click the box underneath the Explode column. Exploding a term means that you are telling the database to show you all of the articles that are categorized with that term, plus any articles categorized with its narrower terms. In general, it is a good idea to start with broader terms, so if the Explode box is available, go ahead and click it. Once a term is selected and exploded, it is time to add a second term. To do this, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the link that says Browse Additional Terms. Now enter the second concept, which in this example is cardiovascular diseases. To add this term to the search, click the box next to it and the box underneath the Explode column. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see that both of the terms have now been added to the search. You will also see that the database is going to combine these terms with the word "and," which means that all of the retrieved articles will have both of these subject headings assigned to them. To run the search, click the Search Database button. This search has returned quite a few articles, so I'm going to need to use my limits. In EBSCO, the limits appear along the left-hand side of the screen. There are a few popular limits displayed by default, but to access all of the available limits at one time, click on the Show More link. For this example, I'm going to limit this search to the past 5 years. I'm also going to limit to English language articles, peer-reviewed articles, and research articles. The research limit will retrieve all different types of research. If you specifically need a randomized controlled trial, there is an alternative limit further down the page. Once your limits are set, it is important to hit the search button again to see your refined results. Using subject headings and limits should give you a manageable number of relevant articles to sift through. So try it out and see how it goes. If you get stuck or have any questions, the librarians are always happy to help. You can reach out to us by calling the workgroup number or by sending us an email. Thanks.